Hey guys, how's it going? 5 mind-blowing AI singing features that will change music forever. One of the features is realistic AI vocals. AI vocals like 11 Labs uh, create hyper-realistic voices. They can mimic human emotion, pitch, and vibrato, making virtual sounds indistinguishable from real ones. Next, the voice cloning. You can use also the level labs to create voice cloning, right? With tools like Level Labs, you can clone your favorite artist's voice or even create your own unique voice for singing and producing tracks. Next, the AI assisted songwriting. Platforms like Ava, excuse me, right? Use AI to generate melodies. You can go ahead and click the 3 bars at the top right here and click create track, and basically you can select your own melody or lyrics if you're using PC and harmonies, speeding up the songwriting process while maintaining creativity. You could just go ahead and click create on this track, for example, and select the key signature and the duration if you want it to be more than 1 minute, and the number of composition, and you're gonna be able to hear the last result. Okay, next, the instant language adaptation. AI now can translate and adapt vocals into multiple languages while preserving the original singer's style, using apps like not apps, websites like DeepL Music Translator from here, right? You can use it, or you can use AI song lyrics in Canva, so you can generate your own singing lyrics. I forgot to mention that part, but if you want to generate your song lyric, if you want AI to help you create your own song lyrics, you can just type your write a lyrics on grocery shopping styled, or generate rap for hip hop track about climate change, whatever, and Canva will generate that for you. Back to it. You can use a deep music translator if you want to translate music using AI. As you can see, you can use the DeepL translate, so you can translate your own music lyrics onto different languages and publish it through different maybe platforms or for different demographics, right? Lastly, on the go music productions. iPhone compatible apps like Endless, right? Or BandLab allow you to collaborate with AI to create and edit music directly from your device, whether for fun or professional use. These tools are revolutionizing mobile music production. And basically, having said that, you can now start your journey of creating and translating and cloning, and finally, of course, generating your own music and publish it through different platform, making your sound or the AI sound indistinguishable for the viewer. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.